I make films for my country. I make films for Indian audiences. I think that being directed by Anand L. Rai has just been an outstanding privilege for me. I think the way that he presents his female protagonists is just beautiful. A.R. Rahman sir, who has so beautifully captured each and every flavor and tone of these different worlds. अरे यार मुझे भूख लगी, मुझे चिप्स भी खाना है और पराठे भी खाने, क्या करूँ? That's the tone that Anand ji wanted. Namaste, this is Sara Ali Khan and you are watching Bollywood Hungama.
नमस्ते दर्शकों, आज हमारे साथ में है चकाचक सारा अली खान and we'll talk about her latest film Atrangi Re and lots more. Pleasure having you back with us on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much, Faridun ji.
You know, I've done so many interviews and it's been such a long time that I've requested any of the celebrities that please आप वो अपना dialogue आप please अगर करके दिखा सकें, लेकिन millions of fans की एक demand है और एक request है, अगर आप ये इंटरव्यू शुरू कर सकें, वो एक आपका जो नमस्ते दर्शकों वाला जो आपका जो राइम्ड पोइट्री के साथ में आप जो करती हैं,
हाँ जी, बस
अगर उससे आप कुछ आप जीनियस हैं, आई एम श्योर आप कर सकती हैं इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग.
अरे ऐसे कैसे सडनली, ऐसे सडनली होता है वैसे. किस पे बनाऊँ? ठीक है,
अतरंगी रे पे आप बना लीजिए.
नमस्ते दर्शकों, टुडे Faridun ji and I are promoting Atrangi Re. It is a sunny but slightly cloudy day. Please do like, share and subscribe to Bollywood Hungama so we know what you have to say. And once you watch Atrangi Re, you will say, hip hip hooray. Okay, all good. Thank you.
That was, I think, brilliant as always, and this has not been scripted. She was not even aware of the
I
fact
really
that
didn't know.
I'm going to be asking something of this sort.
I should have been prepared.
All right.
Prepare more for you, Darshako. Next time it'll be even better.
All right, so how crucial is your Instagram for you? You tend to enjoy yourself like no one else does.
You know, so I think that if I can say it honestly, for me, like Instagram reflects my mood but doesn't affect my mood. By which I mean कि अगर मेरा मन करा कि मैं एक मजाकी रूप में नमस्ते दर्शकों करना चाहती हूँ, मैं कर लूँगी. If I feel like I want to share what I'm doing in the gym, I'll do it. But I don't take it seriously enough for comments and opinions on my Instagram to affect me.
And that's okay. That is they're all.
I enjoy it for fun.
Yeah, and that is what the vibes that we get. I never, I think, read comments per se because I think it's vivaciousness that you bring to the table. I think that is something which is brilliant. All right, and can we say that Atrangi Re, maybe it is the most fleshed out role of your career so far?
Yes, I think so. I definitely think so. I think that being directed by Anand L. Rai has just been an outstanding privilege for me. I think the way that he presents his female protagonists is just beautiful. It's so real, and I think that with real comes nuances and it comes maybe slight complication as well. Because it's a simple story, it's an honest story, but it's also really complicated. And I think that was really exciting to me. I think the way in which, Rinku is so assertive, confident, outspoken, she's throwing bottles at people, she's saying that एक बार दोनों मिल जाएंगे तो क्या आफत आ जाएगी. I think that in the core of her is a very, very innocent, very, very even scared, very naive girl. And I think that was really exciting to me. To see how on the exterior she's so sure, but on the interior she's so soft. I think that was a beautiful nuance for me. Of course, there was dialect, there was body language, there was dialogues that were difficult and different. And then there was working with Thalaiva of the South and Thalaiva of the North. So it was definitely the most fleshed out character I've played.
Right, and interesting part is that many a times we've seen that there's a man and maybe he's having two women in his lives. Here, the woman is asking that if I'm having two men in my life, what's the problem? So it's like a role reversal of sorts.
I don't know about being role reversal, but I think that, see, that again, you know, I remember.
She says very matter of factly.
Exactly. I remember telling Anand ji and Himanshu sir, our writer, that ये जो line है ना मुझे बहुत अच्छे से बोलनी है क्योंकि ये सबसे बेस्ट लाइन है फिल्म की तो मैं कैसे बोलूँ एंड ही इज़ लाइक ये तो ना ख़राब करने वाली है क्योंकि ये बेस्ट लाइन नहीं है ये बेसिक लाइन है तो तुम्हें ये ऐसे बोलना है विदाउट स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन इट because it's the thought, you know, she could have been really entitled and, you know, it's not even like a feminist andolan, it's just she's saying it genuinely in a very matter-of-fact way. And I think there is where we see the innocence of the character because it's like saying, अरे यार मुझे भूख लगी मुझे चिप्स भी खाना है और पराठे भी खाना है क्या करूँ? That's the tone that Anand ji wanted because I think that that is where you see that words that sound a bit shocking are coming from somebody who has a very masoom and mulayam dil. And that interplay is, like I said, very, very interesting to me.
All right. Now, you know, interestingly, you've studied in a US university. You're coming from a very classy family. You're playing a character which is, I think, as desi as it gets
Right.
from the heartland.
Yes,
How much of
Bihari.
a learning experience is it for you in terms of getting to know yourself and know the intricacies of the country better?
I think that it's been an outstanding learning experience. I think that ultimately, irrespective of where I've studied or where I come from, I make films for my country. You know, I make films for Indian audiences. And in order to do that, it's important to understand the pulse of Indian audiences. And I think that we have such a diverse country and culture. Like I shot in Bihar, Banaras, Bihar border. We shot in Madurai and we shot in Delhi. And they're all such different flavors that I'm so lucky and privileged that I had Anand ji to take me through these different worlds. And A.R. Rahman sir, who has so beautifully captured each and every flavor and tone of these different worlds. I mean, I have always been proud of being an Indian. So whether it's being, you know, conversing in Hindi over English sometimes, these things are not like difficult for me or even different for me or even worth mentioning. But the fact that I'm playing a Bihari girl with a very strong dialect through the film, that took training, that took effort. Because Anand ji is the kind of person who would say that your dialogue and your dialect is secondary to me. Between action and cut, you need to be so sure of your body language, your dialect, your dialogues. I'm not looking at any of these things in a take. Between action and cut, all you're doing is living the emotional state of that character with honesty and with sincerity. I'm not going to cut because you said Vishu instead of Visu. So know that it's Visu, know that it's Sadi, and just say that because that's not the point anymore. That was the point in reading. Now we're shooting. It's different.
Right. So Hema ji is having Dream Girl, Madhuri ji is having Dhak Dhak, and now Sara Ali Khan is having Chaka Chak.
Please don't say that. Please don't say
But
that.
you know,
at
this
all.
song is going to stick around with you now.
I hope so. Inshallah, it's been a privilege for me. I think that, you know, you've just taken very iconic names. I'm not going there at all. But I've always dreamt of doing a solo song, you know. I love Ranveer. I love Varun. It was a blast shooting with them. लेकिन मुझे अपना गाना चाहिए था. You know, I've always just wanted that song. You know, I've grown up watching Hindi films. You know, names that you've mentioned also. And I've just been like, yeah, I want that opportunity to just have one song where I'm having fun by myself. And I got that, you know, with Rahman sir, with Shreya ma'am's voice. She's just beautiful, the way she sings, you know, just being able to, I don't even know if doing justice is the right word, but just being able to have fun to those vocals and Ishad sir's lyrics. It was amazing. Vijay sir choreographed the song.
Right.
And I think we had just a blast shooting this film and this song. This song, by the way, fun fact, this song is the first thing I shot after going into lockdown. Like after lockdown opened up, the first thing we did is went to Madurai and shot this song.
Okay.
So anybody that's being polite about the energy that I have in this song, it's only because it was pent up frustration and energy of 6 months of incarceration, aka lockdown, that was just let out, and then we went and had a blast, I think.
And interestingly, you were in Banaras when the lockdown was about to be announced.
Yes.
And I think that was for Atrangi.
Yes, on the 19th of March 2020, I was shooting a holy sequence with 200 extras. And on the 20th of March, I was at home with my mother and brother, and the door was locked, and it remained that way for many months. It was shocking. It was like a paradigm shift. Namaste, this is Sara Ali Khan, and you are watching Bollywood Hungama.